Hey, I'm Laremy, and this is my Privé portrait. Since I was little, I've loved music, like whether it was just hanging out with my dad and listening to music or going to, random shows my dad would take me to. My band is called Giveaway. I write pretty much all the lyrics. I do vocals. I am vocals. I do vocals. Like being able to put everything that you feel like you can't really say out loud or don't know who to say it to. Just writing it out on a piece of paper and turning it into something like a song that you get to play in front of however many people. It's really just about mostly like angry stuff and like sad stuff. Everything that you feel internally, like in your head. I like my hair to look kind of a certain way. That never usually happens. I'm more comfortable with my hair as of lately. I'm obsessed with highlighter. That's like a real thing. I got glitter and it was game over. But it's really just get it wet, put some product in it, and just let it kind of wake up. I really just let it kind of do whatever it wants to do for the day. Like take a shower and then see where we're gonna go from there type of thing. That's kind of like a hit and miss type of thing. I have like a good and bad relationship with my hair. We fight all the time, but but I try to keep my makeup looking like. Hardcore really is like a community, and it's a family, and the people you meet, you won't meet people like it anywhere else. The way to like travel and meet new people, like I have friends all over the world, from like California to Pittsburgh to New York to Texas to wherever. You meet so many people because it's such a diverse like community, but it's everywhere. For me, I feel like it's something that definitely takes over like 80% of my life. Because it's like any show that comes through, like I want to go, whether I know the band or not. Or fronting a band, I guess it was never really an intention to be like, oh, I'm a woman, I should front a hardcore band. It was just something that I wanted to do, but I definitely hear from other girls that are like, you're an inspiration for me, like you make me like want to do this and stuff like that. So I think that's really cool to be able to like inspire girls to just put themselves out there. As of right now, I feel like hardcore will be something that I'm always involved in. It's really good for my mental health, just being around a group of people that love you and care about you, and they're like the most supportive friends I've ever had in my entire life.